There's so many types of people in the world. The ones that entertain, the ones that observe. Well, baby, I put on a show, kind of girl. Don't I